Turn on your keypad DTU, put in your staff code, press enter, put in your password, and then press enter again. Press 1. Double check the date and time first before programming a lock. Press F2 twice. F2, F2. Let's go all the way back to W-3. We're going to keep pressing enter. You see that number next to the W? It's going to keep increasing. Keep pressing enter till it goes back to 3. Okay? Date. Today's date. Double check the date. If it's incorrect, put in the correct date. I'm just going to type in date anyway. Month, day, and year. Enter, enter, enter. The time, double check the date and time. It's going to be in military time, okay? So it's hours, minutes, seconds. I'm going to enter it. It's 7 o'clock right now, so I'm going to put in 19:43. I'm just going to do 00 for the seconds. Enter. Enter, enter. Okay? If it goes to W-5, you've put in the date and time already. To go back, it's going to be the item resell key. That's the equivalent of a back button. We're going to press it multiple times to go back to the main menu. To program a common door, that's an AL5H lock, with the keypad DTU, we press F1, F4. Make sure it's common. If you need to change it, you can press the down or up arrow key. So 1 for common. Enter. Room number doesn't really matter for common doors, so press, we're just going to do 101 as an example. Enter 3 times. Floor number, put in the correct floor number. It's 1 in this case. Enter, enter, enter. Room range, these are the range of keys in which this lock will accept. Usually you want to put the lowest and highest room number in the property. So the first thing we'll press is the clear button. As an example, we'll put the lowest room in the property. 100, enter, and then we'll put the highest room in your property. As an example, we'll do 525, enter 3 times, press enter. Guest valid, these are the times in which guest cards will be accepted into this door. As an example, if this was a pool, which is open from 10 a.m. in the morning till 10 o'clock in the evening, for guests, you can set it as 10 o'clock in the morning. And then in military time, it's 2200 for 10 o'clock in the evening. Enter 3 times. Guest week or valid week, leave that. Time zone. This is ideal for entrance doors or certain doors which you want to stay unlocked during certain periods of time. Let's say you want an entrance door to be open from 10 o'clock in the morning till 2 p.m. in the afternoon. You can set this up. You can set the time zone. If this is a pool or a laundry room, which you do not ever want free access, and you want people to always have to use their cards, do not set the time zone. As an example, we'll set the time zone to 10 o'clock in the morning till 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Free access, no need to use the cards during these times. 2 p.m. in the afternoon is 1400. So 10 o'clock in the morning till 2 p.m. in the afternoon, enter 3 times. Okay, you're ready to send out the signal. Get a guest card, flip it upside down, put it in. Press the send receive button. Aim it at the lock. If it's a brand new reader, you may get a hotel code error. If the programming went through, you're done. But if you get this hotel code error, take out the card, press the error reset button, press 1, and we're going to press send receive again. We'll get this card, put it in the lock, and we'll aim it at the lock once more. Loading success. So I'm usually aiming these 2 small holes right here, about 3 or 4 inches away. The programming process is pretty much the same for this lock, which is usually guest room lock, and then this lock, which is a wall reader. See.